Guys, I just found a purpose-driven meme coin that you need to go ahead and check out because this one has a lot of potential to head straight to the moon. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Future Pepe. A link to this will be in the description of the video. It is not just another meme coin, guys. It is a purpose-driven meme-fi project that is built to restore the integrity to a broken future. Now, this time-traveling saw mascot has actually returned from a dystopian 2025 where scam coins and rug pulls has already destroyed the meme culture. So his mission is to put meme coins back on track with real tools, utility, and a loud voice that empowers the crowd. So built around the Launchpad Survivor, this is the first AI-powered safety-first launch platform. Now, Future Pepe, guys, combines community audits and actor detection to block bad builders while boosting serious ones. Okay, so the ecosystem is including MarketAI plus the trading assistant. So it is a plug-and-play dashboard that also converts raw on-chain data into clear calls, which educates the holders on how to trade smarter. Okay, now in this decentralized environment, holders of the token vote on major decisions, share tool generated revenue, and also earn staking rewards that is fueled by transaction taxes. But Future Pepe doesn't stop there, guys. It doesn't stop at memes. It tackles core Web3 risk. And guys, centralized platforms can also demonetize or ban accounts overnight. Meanwhile, 90% of meme tokens have zero utility, no income, and rely solely on speculation. So Future Pepe, guys, flips that narrative with Meme Coin Security Scanner. It is an open source tool that lets anyone scan meme contracts for whale movements, sentiment flags, and the hidden risks. And those are the ones that are not visible to the naked eye. So that is one of the things that I love about Future Pepe, are those utility that you will be able to utilize with this project. So the beta is launching on Q4 of 2025 now with a public contract and insurance pool by September's testnet. So it is aiming to be the safest space for new meme coin projects. So it is backed by a microservices Rust architecture, React front-end, GPT layer analysis, and the subsquid data indexing. So Future Pepe, guys, redefines, okay, it redefines meme coin standards with audited contracts, verifiable on-chain hashes, and a transparent tokenomics that you will be able to go ahead and check out. This is not just a meme coin, guys. This is the future of meme coin space in the cryptocurrency market. Now, guys, I would, of course, strongly suggest that you go ahead and do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you could also make informed decisions with all your investments. And I would strongly recommend that you head on over to their website and also click on their white paper. This is a good place to start your own research because it has a lot of information that will talk about who they are, what they do, and what are the things that they are going to be giving you as a value proposition and the benefits of you getting into this project early. So go ahead and check that one out, guys. And of course, make sure to go ahead and check out all their social media platforms as well. Okay, you can see that up on top here. You have the X, the Instagram, their Telegram, their Discord, and their YouTube channel. That way you will not miss out on any information like giveaways, raffles, airdrops, anything and basically everything about the project. You will always be informed. So guys, again, go ahead and check them out. See for yourself the power of this project. Hopefully you are getting the most out of all your investments in 2025. We are in the third quarter and we are looking good. Looks like Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency tokens are heading over to another bullish run, and I'm my fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully you guys are getting the most profit out of those. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.